What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market. But before we dive into this video, please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you want to support the channel, get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, 3 days of live trading live in my Discord, definitely check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. And now let's get right into it, guys. Welcome back, everybody. So this is gonna be a really quick update video for you guys on stock market. Dow is up 0.40%, nasdaq up 0.58%, S&P up 0.5%, and Russell 2000 rallying today up 1.13%. And here's 11 sectors that makes up S&P 500 and all in the green today. On top, utilities, consumer cyclical, basic material, consumer defensive, and then we got communication services, energy, real estate, and technology on bottom, but everything is in the green today. So here on stock market map, what do we got? Energy down, XOM, Chevron both down on the day, but nothing big. Tesla rallying again, 1.5%. Amazon up close to 1%. Google kind of a flat day. Meta up once again, 1%. Nvidia up over 1%. AMD up close to 2%. We got Netflix taking a beating again, and I think there were some news that came out, and this thing took a dump off, down over 3%. Apple down 0.34%. Microsoft also down on the day, 0.43%. On SPY ETF, it's up 0.5%, and now it's trading above 20-day moving average right here, 433. Now I think we go straight up to fill this gap at 438. We almost got there today, 438.43, or we see a pullback down to a higher low, and we can find a higher low anywhere here between 438 to 430, maybe even 432. So if we get a pullback tomorrow around 432, and that is that high from I think last week on Monday right here, that could be a nice dip buying opportunity. But I would be interested really here on SPY ETF if this thing gets down to 430 to 428 for a nice day trade on SPY ETF. Now we're looking for a higher low on SPY. I mean, this is a straight move to the upside from 420. I mean, this thing went up what, almost 17 18 bucks in like what, 2 days, 3 days. That is insane, and that is why I would say, where is the crash, guys? I mean, if we're in a bear market, it's not gonna rally like this. Now you need to find a higher low, we need a pullback, and then I mean, if this thing gets up to this gap tomorrow, then watch out for a rejection from anywhere 438.43 to 440, 50-day moving average right here. And then we could find a higher low here anywhere close to 432, 430. And like I said, 428 would be even a better option right here, because we have not seen any pullback here on SPY ETF for the last 3 days. I mean, this was what, only $2 pullback from the top, nothing big. So I would say 430 to 428, that would be a nice higher low. But of course, we can find a higher low right here, 432, maybe even 433, and then this thing pushes higher all the way up to this gap, and then possibly will retest 440, 50-day moving average right here. So going into tomorrow on a pullback, you want to watch 430, 433, 20-day moving average, 432, 430, 428. To the upside, 433 can hold. Watch out for a move all the way up to this gap, 438.43, and then 440.52, 50-day moving average right here on top on SPY ETF. On triple Q, it's up 0.5%, and look at this move all the way up to 371.28, and looks like it's holding above all these moving averages right here, 50-day, 20-day, 13-day, and 5-day, and that is bullish, guys. Now I think as long as we're above right here, 367.49, 50-day moving average right here, or I would say at least 366, you're going to see a continuation all the way up to this trend line right here at around 373 to 374. and above that, that would be a breakout on triple Q. Now to the downside, like I said, we got support down here, 367.49, 366, and then watch out all the way down here, 363, 20-day moving average right here, and then 360. We also have strong support down here, 355, and then 350 on a pullback. You want to watch these levels right here, 355 and 350, but looks like we're heading higher. Maybe we get a higher low again, down to one of these levels right here around 363 to 366 on triple Q. So on IWM, finally up over 1% and now got up to almost 177 plus and getting rejected by this negative sloping 20-day moving average right here, this white line, and now holding above 175, holding 13-day moving average right here, and that is also a big support right here around 175 to 174. So this is gonna be a level to watch on a pullback around 174.58 to 175. As long as we're above this level, this thing can hit 177 again, and then possibly we'll take out 178, and above that, watch out for this gap just under 180. We also have resistance at 181 and then 183. To the downside, 174.58 to 175, and if that gives up, watch out for the support down here, 173 and then 170, 173. We got 5-day moving average right here at 173.11. So Dow Jones also up on the day 0.40%, and this is the one that I played. I played SPY ETF also, and that is a full position. I'm still holding on SPY ETF and stop at break even. Anytime I see a pullback, I'll be just getting out. Now this one I took profit today. Only left 4 runners on DIA and 336 calls, guys. I mean, look at this, 339 came. So massive gains on DIA today. Sold and got some money today because I couldn't do anything in the market today. Market just took off, and I'm not a chaser. I'm not buying anything in the middle. There was really no good setups in the market today. So no trades, only sold my swing trades, and that is on DIA. SPY still holding, IWM shares still holding, and that's it. I mean, you do not go and trade every day. Now, if you look at DIA, got rejected by this 20-day moving average also around 339, and also holding above 335. So we have support here at 335, and just below that we also have support 333, and then all the way down here 330. Above 339 to 340, DIA heading higher for this gap, 344.20. On VIX is down 3.79% and getting a flush under 18 bucks. Now we talked about it before in my video about this candle and the structure of this candle, that this is a big bearish engulfing candle, and as long as VIX below this candle, you're going to see a lot more selling, and this is exactly what we're getting here on VIX. So now we have support at 16, we have resistance at 18, above 18, watch out for a move back up to 20, and below 18, watch out for the support down here at 16, and then $15 on VIX. So a quick look at here on TNX, and this thing falling off the cliff right here, guys. I mean, look at this, a gap down this morning, and that is why we saw the market going higher. I mean, this is big, down 3% almost, huge, and that is why market looking bullish. Now, we could see TNX going back up to 47.38 to retest 5-day moving average again. And if this thing gets rejected, the next stop, we could be coming all the way down here to fill this gap, 45.77, and that could trigger another massive rally to the upside, and possibly at some point, like I said before, TNX could be coming down here to fill this gap and also retest this breakout, 43.71. So we're looking good for more upside in the market, but watch TNX. If this thing breaks above 47.38, then watch out, guys. We might be going back up, and if this time this thing gets back up, we could be going all the way up to 50 right here on TNX.